Hello everyone, today in front of me I have this Realme Narzo 50 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show the best display settings to change on this device. So let's go ahead and start. First of all, we'll open up the settings and the display category of it, or as it is precisely called right here, display and brightness. The first setting that we would highly recommend that you try changing is called eye comfort, and once enabled, as you can see, it makes everything look way warmer. It does so by filtering out the excess amounts of blue light, and as you can see, it is written right here at the description of this option. And basically by enabling the eye comfort mode, you reduce the eye fatigue and in generally saying, just make your eyes less tired. So for example, once it is activated, you can set up some custom schedule for it to start and to end. So the schedule that is set now, that means that at 10 p.m. it will automatically be activated, and at the 7 a.m. next day it will be disabled respectively. There is also this bar that allows us to configure the intensity of this effect. And that's pretty much it for the eye comfort mode. Next we have the screen color mode settings. Let me find them real quick. So here you can choose between two available color modes of your interface, and also at the very top of the screen color mode page you also presented with some preview pictures, so you can understand how exactly the colors that you have picked will look. Basically just two simple modes to switch between. Choose whatever fits you best. The next, it's a very small switch that is called the Video Color Enhancer, and once enabled it will simply enhance and improve the quality of any videos that you will play on your device. As you can see from the description of this feature, it basically widens the color gamut for a better visual effect. That also, once we tap not on this switch but at the text of this, at the description, should I say, of this feature, there is also this video preview that visually shows how this mode will exactly enhance and improve the colors and videos. I mean the colors of videos, of course. So the left side shows how the videos will look without this effect, and respectively the right side will show the videos once this option is activated. Next we have the screen refresh rate setting, which can be accessed from the more section of display and brightness settings. Here we have, well, two values to choose from and another one which is auto select. So if you'll go for the 60 Hz, you'll get the longer battery life and it will conserve the battery much better. And if you go for the high, which is 120 Hz, you'll get the better and smoother animation, scrolling experience, and overall visual interface appearance of your device. Or if you don't want to switch between those two manually, you can just choose auto select, and that will ultimately mean that the system will automatically switch between those two values, these two values, in accordance with some system states and in accordance with the current battery health in particular. So to sum up, if you want your battery duration to be increased, you just can go ahead, but you do not value like smoothness and animation appearance or something like that, you can just go for the 60 Hz and standard value. Or if you the person like me and like to see everything pretty and like to see everything as smooth as it gets, you can go ahead and sacrifice some of the battery duration just for the high value of the screen refresh rate, which is 120 Hz. And the final setting were to show you in this video is called screen display, and here you can configure how does the selfie camera notch will look like. So the top part of your display where the selfie camera is located, it will either just hide it like so, or show the front camera and use all the space around it as well at the interface. Here you can regulate this display mode for each individual app you have. And there is also the full screen display by app, but basically since all the apps that I have installed support the full screen mode by default, I do not have any applications in this full screen display by app list. But once you get any application that does not support this mode, you can individually configure how the full screen will look like at this particular app right here. Alrighty, so that was it for this video pretty much. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.